Okay, it's Justin Piragostini. I'm here in Brewster, New York, and I'm going to be making acoustic panels today. I'm going to flip you around and I'll show you my cut wood, and then I'll show you the assembly, and we'll take it from there. But I learned basically everything that I'm doing right now from YouTube, so I figured I'd share with you what I'm doing. I saved money, but more importantly, what I got was the fabric that I'm using on the face of my panels matches my theater, so I didn't have to go with something that a company had. I wanted it all to look the same, so that was really the reason that I did it. I'm gonna flip you around. Panels are gonna be 3x4. That'll allow me, so all this wood, these are the side rails. This is 2.5 inches thick. That means that I bought the Owens Corning 703 insulation, and I'm gonna have a backer on here, which means I'm only gonna have to cut off 1/4 inch of the back of the 703 insulation. And I'll show you when I assemble them what I'm doing. I'm doing a French cleat on the top rail in the back of the panel. This is all my cut wood for my side pieces, top, bottom, and the middle supports. And you can see they're a little bit frayed, so what I'm doing now is I'm sanding everything down, and then I'm going to assemble them. I'll show you how it looks assembled. I'm using glue and 16 gauge brad nails with clamps, very cool. So let me sand them, I'll put them together and I'll show you, and I'll be right back. All right, here's the finished product. Got some nice corners there. So you got your bottom rail, 2 support rails in the middle, and then you top with the French cleat. So everything in the middle was cut 3-foot lengths. The 2 side pieces are 4-foot lengths, glued. And then when I flip it over, I'll show you, we're just gonna lay the insulation in the middle and then wrap it with fabric. That's it. Nailed and glued together. Simple enough, there you go. Completed. That's a 4x3 and it's very sturdy. It's perfect. And then you put your insulation in there, it's 4 feet. We cut 1 piece of that 2x4 insulation right down the middle. That gives you your 3 feet wide because it's 2x4 each piece, and that's it. So we're just gonna wrap this with fabric, be done with it. French cleat on the top, I'll go flush against the wall. And we got 12 more to build. All right, I'll get you back when we start doing the acoustic wrap on it. Take care. That's your screen that's gonna go up. It looks small when it's there, but it's huge. There's your projector. Very close to the back. Acoustic panels are up. Holy moly. There it is. You can see those. That's basically the size of the screen. It's the whole fucking wall.